everybody, welcome back to my channel. You're here with Jhaibeatz today, and today I'm showing you guys a simple drugstore makeup tutorial. It doesn't take really long. Throw on my makeup, get out the door. Oops. But yeah, I throw on my makeup, get out the door, and you know, it's a pretty simple everyday look. You can just throw it on, you know, it's kind of suited for any type of look. So I hope you guys enjoy watching. At the end of this video, please like and subscribe, and also leave comments on other looks you guys want to see, okay? Thank you.
So as you guys can see, my brows are already applied, as they will be for most of my videos because I take too long. But right now I'm just taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in matte and applying that on my face. Then taking a clean beauty blender, I'm just going to wet it slightly with water and go ahead and blend out the rest of the foundation on my face. Just to let you guys know, I'll leave all the products in the description box below. I just didn't want to list them the whole time through the video. I kind of wanted you to just see more how I apply the makeup. Don't forget to blend that chin and that neck so that your foundation looks seamless and there's no harsh lines. For highlighting, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just going to place that under my eyes, on my chin, on my nose, and a little on my forehead. Now adding my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Yellow Corrector, I'm going to do a little extra highlighting under my eyes and maybe somewhere else. Now taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer again in a darker shade for contour, I'm going to place that with my finger kind of in the crease of my cheekbones. Now taking this brush that I got from Target, I think, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my contour. It's going to look really strong at first, but it will be okay. Taking that same blending brush that I used for my cheek contour, I'm going to go ahead and contour my forehead slightly. Once again, I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and then use it to go ahead and blend out my highlight. Now it's going to be blending, and more blending. Now taking my Nye Banana Powder. I love this stuff so much to set the under eye and just the face in general. But I'm going to take it on a wedge sponge. I like to use that to set my face, and I'm going to go ahead and just start placing it mostly under my eyes and take it under my contour to sharpen that line and anywhere else that needs to be set. Now taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, I'm going to go ahead and place that on my lids. This stuff is some pretty good eyeshadow primer for a drugstore brand. With this product, I usually like to finger blend. Sometimes if I put too much, I'll go ahead and like use my beauty blender to finish blending out the rest, but my fingers work pretty well with it. Don't forget to moisturize the lips like I did, well, like I was supposed to do in the beginning of the video. Now I'm going to take some blending brushes. I also forgot what brand they were. And I'm going to take my LA Colors palette, my contour palette, and I'm going to use a deep shade to kind of create like a shadow in my crease area. And then I'll probably use the palette also for contouring later. Now taking a lighter shade, I'm going to place that on my lid area. Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. Kabuki brush and I'm going to start to dust away all the baking powder that was set on the face. Make sure to blend it in kind of as well so that there's no harsh lines anywhere. So once again, I'm going to take that LA Colors palette and I'm going to use one of the darker shades to contour my nose. I'm just going to go ahead and then also use a clean blending brush to blend out the edges of my eyeshadow and also my nose contour. To give my nose an extra bit more of snatchage, I'm going to go ahead and take some of that banana powder and put it like on the sides of my nose to give it kind of a pinching effect, just to slim my nose down and make that contour look extra snatched. Now taking that same kabuki brush, I'm going to go ahead and wipe away the excess powder along with kind of blend any spots on my face that need that extra little blend. Now taking that same kabuki brush, I'm going to use the LA Colors palette and grab one of the darkest shades or like a bronzing shade to go ahead and just bronze up my face. I'm placing it on top of the cream contour that we laid down already to give the face just more color and more depth and more deepness. You have to make sure those brows are snatched. So going back in with the spoolie, kind of fading out the front so there's no harsh, just boom, line on your brows. Now taking my NYX matte finish setting spray, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. And go ahead and I like to dry it down, so I just use something to fan it down. Then I'm just going to go in and start layering up my mascara. I'm not going to be doing lashes for this look, so I like to add a lot of mascara. Now for my favorite part, you guys, this e.l.f. highlight is no joke. Like, look at that. Like, it literally makes your skin look like glass. But anyways, I'm going to take that with a e.l.f. brush as well and just blend it onto all the highest points of my face to give me a really radiant, dewy look. Always make sure that you're blending out anything that you put down. Of course, more mascara. Now taking the Jumbo NYX pencil in the color Milk, I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of this. I'm going to take it, and I actually want my eyes to look a little bigger today, so I'm going to put that in the waterline instead of a black eyeliner like usual. Okay, so now it's time to apply the lipstick, so I'm going to wipe off that lip balm that we laid down. And I'm gonna take this NYX pencil in just a natural brown kind of color. I can't see the color because it's so short, but it's just a brown. Well, I was obviously feeling myself here. Now taking that same e.l.f. Highlight, I'm going to go ahead and put that in the inner corners of my eyes to give it an extra pop. So I just realized that I might have missed me putting on my lipstick, but I just used MAC's Viva Glam 3 for that. Just took that over that brown lip liner that we put down already. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the finished look.
Hi everybody, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple kind of like everyday makeup look. I usually do like a look like this every day, just a lot of highlight, you know. I like my nose to be popping, you know, everything else popping, you know. This is the look. Using all drugstore products. Drugstore products are just as good as the name brand stuff. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you come back, you know, subscribe, like, comment. Have any questions you guys have, make sure to leave those. And also make sure to put in your requests for videos and looks you guys want to see me do. So yeah, this is the drugstore makeup look. Thank you guys.